Guys, welcome back. Today we are working on the K-swap, and see, before we get this bumper on, I'm gonna knock out taking care of how yellow these headlights are using my favorite TurtleWax headlight restoration kit. Not sponsored, but TurtleWax, if you see this, we should really work together because I love your products. Anywho, let's get to it. I'll get you guys a before shot and then let's start cleaning them up. Starting off strong with getting the headlights a good wipe down to get anything dust and dirt off of them. There we go. Crazy how you put water on them and they look so much more clear. And then as soon as it dries, it'll be foggy again. Okay, so step number one is gonna be to use the polishing compound on the lens itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack this baby open and do maybe 1 or 2 rounds of that because these are bad enough. I know these are going to need to be sanded simply because I've done this before, but always try with just the polishing compound first because you never know, that might do it. This section does not specify what orientation to go in, but I am still going to try and stick to just doing straight lines. And make sure you do this with a lot of pressure. Obviously, you have plastic housing, so not crazy amount, but enough. Okay, so already that took a bunch of the yellow out, but the lights aren't clear, so let's go back in another time or two, and then we will start sanding. Okay, so this is after a couple rounds of the polishing compound. As you can see, it's a lot less yellow than it was, but there's still some fogginess looking at it. So I think we're gonna go in and sand it a little bit, especially that was the worst side, and you can see how yellow that side is compared to this side. But you can see looking at them both, this one still has the hazing. Okay, so this is just to get some lube going on the headlight for the sanding pad. So this is after doing all 4 of the sanding pads. Now we're gonna go back in with the clarifying compound and clean it up. So that already looks a million times better than where we started. I'm gonna go through another time with the clarifying compound, and I think that should be good. So that looks incredible. The last step is gonna be to seal and protect it. So we will get to that once I finish with the other side. All right, last step is gonna be the base wipe and then the sealing wipe. So let's get a little glove on for this. Last step is going to be the lens sealing wipe. So the headlights look absolutely incredible. They are super clear, no more yellow. I am so happy that the car looks new again. I cannot wait to see it with a bumper on it, but that'll be in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out, and I will catch you in the next one.